What's up, everybody? So I'm making this video just to I couldn't make a full repair video after this truck done, but I wanted to make a video of what I'm doing to it. So I had to put a U-joint on in the right front inner axle here. So basically when you gotta do this, it's a Dana 50 96 F250. You gotta yank out spindles, front hubs, and then whole front diff has to come out because I had to replace that U-joint, and this axle has a C-clip in it, so you already take this whole front diff out to pull the C-clip out to be able to get that axle out to do a U-joint. I ended up doing this U-joint as well on the left side because while I'm in here, I did that one last year and it's already that rusty. While I'm in here doing did all U-joints, cleaned this up really nice, repacked the bearings obviously. I'm doing new pads, new rotors. There's already a new caliper in the right front, so it's got a full front end. FYI, this is a Dana 50. The gasket you need is for a Dana 44. When you go to the store to buy it, it'll say 44 axle. This is the correct gasket for a Dana 50. This here is the part numbers. This is what you need for it. Yeah, it's weird when you go to a parts store it says Dana 44. This gasket does fit. It's the same size as a Dana 50. A Dana 60 is different. Also, for your front wheel seals, Timken ones, that's your number right there for them. That's for the wheel seals. I have the pads and rollers at home. Or I'd get you part numbers for that too. But basically, doing all this fun work. Alright, doing all this fun work here, and then we're also working on a 3-valve right now too. It's kind of like a little update, I guess. We got the front end off it. If all the shit was gone, I'd go back there and show you guys. But basically, the frame, if you can see that, is bent. That side is too pushed over, so it's gonna be a full restoration type of job. But yeah, let's make an update video, trying to show you guys what fun we're having. But yeah, you gotta pull the front drive shaft and move that back, and then the whole diff comes out of there. And I gotta clean that out some more, but yeah, it's just a real fun time. Hey, literally the whole front has to come apart. Everything, axle's got to come out. Everything. But be nice to have a brand new front end. Yeah, it's the headlight and the bumper off the 3-valve, so little screwed up. But alright, have a good day, guys. Let's talk to you guys later.